We just found a crypto hack that is going to save you time on portfolio management, significantly reduce your gas fees, and massively boost your portfolio.
You need to get ready right now because the crypto bull market has just been ignited.
Welcome to the Bean Pod. This is your place for all things stocks and crypto. From beginner tips to expert picks. Use this as fuel for your investing journey, because when you're in the know, your money will grow.
This episode of the Bean Pod is sponsored by BitGet.
BitGet is the most user-friendly and secure crypto trading platform for both beginners and experienced traders.
BitGet is the best place to not only trade Bitcoin and Ethereum, but also all the small cap gems that we discuss every day.
With 24/7 customer support, leverage trading, and a wide array of other advanced features, BitGet sets itself apart from every other centralized exchange.
Through Beanstock's official partnership with BitGet, you'll receive 15% off all trading fees when you sign up using the referral link in the description.
All views expressed by speakers on the Bean Pod are solely their opinions. You should not treat any opinion expressed on the Bean Pod as a specific inducement to make a particular investment or follow a specific strategy, but only as an expression of their opinion. This podcast is for informational purposes only.
Welcome to the Bean Pod. This is Shane, aka the Jolly Green Investor.
This is Josh, the Nifty Investor.
All right, this is a crypto hack that we just discovered. Not only is this going to save everyone time managing their portfolio, not only is this going to significantly reduce your gas fees, your transaction fees, but when you harness this tool, it can potentially massively boost your portfolio.
Imagine you had the power of ChatGPT in your wallet. Look, I know a lot of you guys are out there, like us, until we came across this, are using Phantom and Metamask. But that is the old school way of doing things. This new discovery, this new wallet is going to absolutely have you smashing the crypto market moving forward. This is what all the best traders will be using.
Yeah, I feel like the old generation of crypto traders, everyone comes into the market, they use MetaMask, then Phantom came out, everyone's using Phantom. But look, we know how powerful AI is. We know how powerful ChatGPT is. I use ChatGPT to do everything. Why is there no wallet that is using AI to optimize all of these things? So look, before we get into exactly what this wallet is, and it's just about to come out, we want to tell you about these stats where it's, look, don't take our word for it. Look at the stats about how you can boost your crypto game right now.
Okay, before we continue, make sure you guys smash the like button, subscribe, comment, and share this with a friend because this is revolutionary. So when we dive into the stats, look at this. Can you imagine spending 89% less time on your portfolio? What could you do with all that time? Golfing, biking, outside playing with your friends. You have AI now doing all the work for you. Here's the other thing. Let's say the crypto market starts to take off and we get into this bull market. You know what's going to happen to gas fees? They're going to go from $7, $20, $400. We've seen this in previous bull markets. We've been around the game for nearly a decade now. This reduces gas fees by 67%. So it's optimizing timing for your trades. Very revolutionary. Here's the last thing. You can maximize returns because of the AI agents that are working within this wallet for you.
Yeah, so when you talk about staking, right, everyone needs to start to learn how to do staking, but staking is complicated. There's all kinds of different areas, hundreds and thousands of different protocols to stake, but using this wallet's AI features, they're going to generate 23% better returns while staking using this wallet. So not only are you spending less time, not only are you spending less money on gas, but you're getting higher returns with their staking using their AI agents. This is all of this combined means that you're boosting your portfolio, right? You're beating the market. And again, none of this is financial advice. We're just saying, look, these are the proven stats about what this wallet is doing for their users. And this is early stage. This is in beta mode right now, but the real version is coming out very, very soon, or it may have just launched. But what you need to know is, look, all right, if you want to get a leg up in the crypto market, these stats are real. This wallet is going to change the game, and I would say anyone using this wallet now has an advantage on anyone using Phantom or MetaMask.
So the name of the wallet is Neuro Wallet. And if you want to download it, because it is available on Google right now, we have a link in the description. And we are all still early to this because it's in beta mode for Apple and iOS.
So look, one of the standout features for us that makes Neuro Wallet the potential game changer that I think it is, as we touched on already, the Neuro Agent. AI agents working within the wallet, because look, crypto is complicated. There's so many things you need to do when managing a portfolio. What coins are trending? What are the best staking optimization yields? All these things, right? For crypto noobs, this is overwhelming and you're going to end up missing opportunities. But that's where AI comes in, man. AI will do all this for you. But when you have your Phantom wallet or your MetaMask, you have to like open up ChatGPT, thing.
It's complicated, super complicated.
And crypto moves quick, man.
Yeah.
You got to be on it right away. That's why Neura Labs and Neura Wallet, they've made it for you. They have AI in the wallet. They have the Neura agent. So it's going to help you do all these things using AI. So you're not going to miss anything in crypto.
Okay, and here's a feature you're really going to love. It's the fact that this is a non-custodial wallet that has zero personal tracking. Did you know that Metamask is owned by Consensus? Consensus is a private US-based blockchain company. Did you know that they use a company called Infura? And what Infura does is whenever you're making transactions through Metamask, they are tracking your IP address and they can route it through, they're routing it through a centralized server and they can track exactly who you are and where you're doing things. So in 2022, an article actually came out about Consensus updating its privacy policy, stating that Metamask may collect IP addresses and wallet addresses when users send transactions using Infura. Infura is in Metamask. So when you're using the Neura wallet, they are not tracking you at all. They can't figure out who you are, what you're doing. So this is a very crucial component, especially as the governments and whatnot start to get more involved in crypto.
And another thing I really like about Neura Wallet, and which I think could lead to its explosion, I think this could lead to thousands, if not millions of downloads, is they've really tapped into kind of a hot feature that's come up in crypto over the past year or two. And that's this like tap to earn mining system. So people that use the Neura wallet can actually earn money just from like tapping they play this tap to earn thing. They mine the Neura token, right? So I know a lot of people, they're looking for additional income. They're using the Neura wallet already, or they want to check out the Neura wallet. They can tap into this tap to earn mining system, which creates this like organic feedback loop where it rewards users for more engagement, for more activity within the wallet with their token.
So Jolly's now starting to get into the utility of the actual token itself because there is a token associated with this. So you have to imagine, if MetaMask had a token, Neura has a token. MetaMask doesn't have a token. Neura actually has a token. And maybe we can provide some figures before I jump into the token utility, because you mentioned something about how much revenue and money MetaMask and Phantom Wallet are actually making on the daily.
Yeah, 100%. I mean, Phantom and MetaMask, they're dominating the wallet industry right now, ripe for disruption. But Phantom is raking in something like $500,000 a day in fees. MetaMask is making something like $30 million a month in revenue. These are absolute behemoths that are asking to be disrupted by more innovative wallets because, look, let's just face it, MetaMask sucks. This wallet is slow, it's clunky, it resets, it loses your coins, it does all these bad things, and they're raking in $30 million a month. But Neura Labs, Neura Wallet, this one's just getting started. It's very, very early stages, and holders of the token can benefit from revenue share. And again, when we look, okay, there's so many reasons that people are going to download and use this wallet. There's the privacy. There's all of those amazing stats, the optimization, the yields, the AI, the tap to earn, the mining. So if you start to think, if thousands or millions of people download the Neura wallet, think about all the money they're going to be making, and they're going to be distributing this to Neura holders.
Yeah, and Neura holders also will receive a fee discount on any trade. So currently I see the trades are set up at 0.5% per trade. What this does is there's an allocation breakdown split between ecosystem development and innovation, and the other 50% is going to buybacks and revenue sharing. So the token actually has some utility. So when it's optimizing all your trade strategies, it's optimizing your gas fees, and it's lowering your fees. Look, where are people going to start to gravitate towards? MetaMask and Phantom, or are they going to go to this wallet that does everything for you and doesn't track your information? The other thing is you get access to premium AI features when you're holding the Neura token. So that's automated trading strategies, predictive market insights, and personalized portfolio guidance. So there's lots of little things that are going to lead to people actually holding, staking, and earning from the Neura wallet.
And 100%. And one thing we really didn't touch on, because I think it just goes without saying, if you look at the Neura wallet, the app is actually clean and easy to use, sleek and fast, right? So it's the opposite of MetaMask. Phantom's decent, but like I think Neura Wallet, it's newer. The technology is much more cutting edge. And you might say, okay, look, well, why don't all these AI wallet features that Neura Wallet has made, why doesn't everyone else just copy them? Well, they have dozens of patents where they merge this AI and crypto wallet technology that no one's going to be able to copy them. So they've come up with a game-changing technology. They come up with an amazing onboarding strategy, a reason for people to hold the token, and they've created what might be the most cutting-edge and easy-to-use AI crypto wallet in the industry, and they have patents to protect themselves. This is where I see Neural Wallet really having a heads up on the competition. I think once it launches for Apple, iOS coming soon is going to be a massive, massive day. So we're super stoked for that. And yeah, look, they've already had thousands of downloads on Google Play for Android. So people are really loving this already.
Yeah, look, you can do cross-chain swaps, which you can't really do when you're in Metamask. It's really confusing to bridge and all that. And the other thing I really like is the unified wallet view. So you can actually see, across all the different chains, because it is EVM compatible. That means with Avalanche, Ethereum, Solana, etc. You can see all your holdings in one spot. So it's a really seamless and easy way to kind of keep track of everything that's going on. And the last thing, let's say you already are using MetaMask or Phantom or what have you, they have an easy wallet import. So this easy wallet import allows you to import your existing wallets with just a few taps. Super easy to get on board with Neural Wallet. Again, link in description. Give it a try because I think this is going to be one that the masses will truly be adopting.
Yeah, they have some of the most cutting-edge technology, AI wallet, personal protection, a roadmap stacked with catalysts. So go and try the Neural Wallet. I promise you, you're probably going to like it as much as we did. Keep an eye on the Neuro token. We think it's one of the coolest, new crypto wallets that we've seen. That's why we were very excited to partner with Neural Wallet and Neural Labs for this episode.
Hey, make sure you guys tune to the next episode.
That one is going to be a banger.
All views expressed by speakers on the BeanPod are solely their opinions. You should not treat any opinion expressed on the BeanPod as a specific inducement to make a particular investment or follow a specific strategy, but only as an expression of their opinion. This podcast is for informational purposes only.